Indian manufacturing sector. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Indian manufacturing sector and its importance in India growth story. That regarded the Indian manufacturing sector as the greatest potential to propel economic growth and employment creation. India has a huge capacity to participate in global markets because of elements like electricity expansion, long-term employment possibilities and skill path for millions of people. Indian manufacturing sector. India has a huge capacity to participate in global markets because of elements like electricity expansion, long-term employment possibilities and skill path for billions of people. Several factors contribute to their potential. Large domestic market, huge natural resources, favorable demographics, increasing urbanization, government policies, growing economy, skilled labor, strategic location. Challenge faced by the manufacturing sector. Here is a list of challenges faced by the manufacturing sector in India. Poor infrastructure, high cost of capital, lack of skilled labor, dependence of importance, complex regulatory environment, lack of technology, poor quality control, competition for imports, government policies. Here is a list of government initiatives aimed at promoting the growth of the manufacturing sector in India. Make in India. This initiative launched by the government in 2014 aims to make India a global manufacturing hub. It focused on sectors such as electronic, textile and automobiles and offers a range of initiatives to attract investment in this area. National Manufacturing Policy. This national manufacturing policy adopted by the government in 2011 aims to increase the share of the manufacturing sector in country's GDP to 25% by 2025. It also aims to create 100 million jobs in the manufacturing sector by 2022. Industrial corridors. The government has established several industrial corridors across the country to promote the growth of the manufacturing sector. These corridors offers infrastructure, land and other facilities to encourage the development of manufacturing hub. National investment and manufacturing zones. The government has established NIMS to promote the growth of the manufacturing sector. These zones offered infrastructure, land and other facilities to attract investment in the manufacturing sector. Skill India. This initiative launched by the government in 2015 aims to train and upskill the workforce in the manufacturing sector to make it more competitive. It focused on sectors such as textile, leather and automobiles. Way forward. Here are some key steps that can be taken to promote the growth of the manufacturing sector in India. Improving infrastructure, reducing the cost of capital, scaling for workforce, promoting technology adoption, improving quality control, promoting export, simplifying regulation, promoting to the development of SMEs. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you again.